Hello friends, and welcome back to another hair video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this beautiful lace wig. I figured out if I was going to wear a lace wig after a very long time, it has to bang. Let's get into it. Hello friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing this hair from Hermosa Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful wig. This wig is a perfect wig for my low maintenance babe. If you don't want to glue your wig and you want a wig that can fit into all head type, I mean, for small head, for big head, this wig is the perfect wig. As you can see, the texture of the hair is so beautiful. It comes with natural baby hair, and inside the hair, guys, it has a very strong band to secure the hair and this perfect invisible string right here. I really love this invisible string because it helps to secure the hair in place. The natural baby hair is all around the head circumference, so you don't need to worry about packing it into a ponytail because it's gonna work. As you can see, the package came with some other accessories like the wig cap, the lashes, the band, and just some extra accessories, especially this invisible string. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. There's also a manual to show you how to install it. So I went ahead to wash the hair and just shampoo, condition it. Honestly guys, it did not come with any dirt. Even when I washed it, it was perfectly fine. There was no smell. I have to be honest with you, when I saw the lace on the inside, I was super impressed because, as you can see, it matches with my skin tone. It's been pre-bleached, pre-plucked, it's soft, voluminous, and it has a HD lens. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install the invisible string if you want this hair to fit into your head. Guys, as you can see, I'm a petite lady, so I have a smaller size of head, and most of the time wigs do not fit exactly into my head. Yes, as you can see, there's always going to be that space in the wig, which can get very difficult when installing lace wig. But that's what I love about this hair from Hermosa. They really made it versatile for all head sizes. Okay, so if you want that voluminous beautiful hair, this is the wig for you. So I'm going to go ahead and use the band to secure the hair in place, and I'm going to go ahead and use the invisible string. So let me show you guys how to install it. The invisible string has been installed at the back of the head on the lace, but I'm going to show you guys how to install it in front of the head, so that way you have the invisible string all around the hair, and it's easy for you to have that snug, that tight wig that wouldn't fall off even without you putting any sort of glue on the wig. So you're just going to go ahead and sew it in like you're literally sewing in a cloth or something like that. You're going to hold on to the ends of the strand. Try not to sew it too close to the hair itself, just right under the lace. And if you have a plier, I think it's easier for you to pass it through this stopper and to tie a knot. But if you don't have a plier, you can just use a needle like I'm doing right now. I'm just using the needle to put the strings through the stopper, and then I tie a knot. Do you guys get what I'm trying to say? If you don't get it, just repeat this video. It's very easy to achieve, and I just made sure I sew it 3 times. So 3 lines, 3 strings. The front has 3 strings, the back has 3 strings. Now I have more than enough support for my hair. So as you guys can see, it's getting tighter and tighter, and it's not uncomfortable. That's not the kind of tightness. Look at the back, guys. That's the baby hair coming through. So I did not want to put any glue on this hair, but I was just getting very, very tempted to put a lace melt on the hair. So I kind of stopped halfway, so I didn't really use the lace melt. I decided to just trim off the lace in front of the hair. Let me know, guys, do you like to trim off the lace or not? Because this lace, it's not that obvious. As you guys can see, I have not even put any foundation, concealer, and it's already blending with my skin. The lace has been pre-bleached, like I said. So I'm just going to secure the front of the hair with the band while I walk through the entire hair itself. This is such a beautiful, voluminous hair. I think this is a type 3 hair, but the baby hair in front and at the back is natural 4C baby hair. I'm just going through each of the sections of the hair with some mousse just to define the curls. It was super easy to do this. I was so enjoying this process. because it just goes through. There's no tangle, no funny smell, no funny color. Everything is the same color, and yes, the curls were coming through. Look at that, guys. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you're just seeing this hot chocolate for the first time, hey, this is Tinola, and right here I share valuable content, okay? Please subscribe if you like the vibe here. I can't wait to show you guys the final look of this hair, but please stick around with me. If you've been here for a hot minute, you know that I've not worn a wig in a very long time. So I figured out if I was gonna wear a wig, it has to what it has to be a wig that is giving, a nice wig and an easy to install wig, which is what I'm getting from this hair. It's also giving me that big vibe, which I like when it comes to hair, adding hair extensions. And one thing I need to note is that this hair, I haven't trimmed it at all, but if you guys can look at the tip, it's not blunt. It has a very natural blend to it. If you want to trim the tip of the hair a little bit more, that's fine. But I am loving this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I am loving what I'm looking at right now. Look at what we have, guys. We've not even applied concealer, nothing, okay? We've not applied nothing, and it's already given. So I decided to trim the baby hair and try to glue down, like try to walk around the baby hair. Was this a mistake or not? I don't know, because I am not a baby hair girl. I don't know how to install baby hair, guys. I literally need to learn from you guys. I've checked tutorials, but I'm not that girl. I'm not the baby hair kind of girl. So if you relate, please let me know in the comment section. But I decided to still try, and I wanted to let you guys know that you can still use hot iron with this hair. Yes, you can use hot iron with this hair. It works, and the coils will definitely bounce back once you add any sort of moisture to it. But yeah, guys, this is what we are looking like. We've not done so much to this hair. There's no super bleaching or gluing or anything like that, and you can see how the hair is bouncing. You can style it in any form, even as an half up and half down hairstyle. And yeah, just really wanted to show you guys what the baby hair is looking like. Let me know if I tried or if I did not try. Is it E for effort or E for excellence when it comes to this baby hair? Because I don't know. But I love how easy it was to install this hair. It didn't take me a lot of time at all, and the hair has such a good quality. As you guys can see at the back, it's looking good. Don't forget, this hair is not glued to my head though. It's not glued to my head. That is the secret, yo. If you have a small size head and wigs never fit well on you, just get a lace like this from Hermosa Hair, a lace wig like this that has that invisible string. It's not tight on the head and it's very comfortable. The invisible string does not show on the outside because you're going to tuck it inside the hair. Okay guys, it's super easy, and I am loving the results of this hair. This is what it looks like in a ponytail. It has that natural and that natural feel to it, because obviously it has baby hair. It's a 360 wig, and yeah, it's just an amazing wig. So thank you so much to Hermosa Hair for sending me this hair. I was so happy to try it out, and I'm loving it. I've added it to my wig collection, probably my favorite so far right now. To save you the stress of looking for the hair, I have linked all the details down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair. You can also do like a center part, a side swoop, or side part. You can just style this hair anyhow you want. Remember, it's a 360 lace wig, so yeah. Do whatever you want with this hair. It's gonna give you that beautiful result. And yeah guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.